Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will guide you through the steps to resolve Windows Defender update problems. And now let's get started. When you experience issues with Windows Defender updates, the first and most crucial step is to ensure your system is fully updated. Windows Defender does not have separate update mechanisms. It relies entirely on the general Windows Update service. Begin by right-clicking on your Start button, then select Settings from the menu. Navigate to the Windows Update tab. Here, you will find options to retry checking for updates or to directly install any pending updates. It is imperative that you install every single update that appears. This often resolves Defender update glitches as it bundles necessary definitions and fixes. If installing all available Windows updates does not resolve your Windows Defender update problem, the next solution involves running a system file checker scan. To do this, search for Command Prompt in your Windows search bar. Once it appears, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window that opens, type the command sfc/scan now and then press Enter. This command will initiate a scan of your system files and attempt to repair any corrupted files that might be interfering with Windows Defender's update process. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.